Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Sonali Solanki, and today I explain the management information system and the definition and characteristics. Before, what is management information system? It is journey from data to the information intelligence. Data and information intelligence. Information intelligence means the useful information. The information which is required into the decision making. The information which is required for the futuristic plans. What is management? First we need to understand what is management. Management is an art of doing all the functions like planning, directing, leadership, and the staffing and the controlling. These all are the function of the management which is required in each and every field, either it is software or applications or companies or education field, hospital, or everywhere the management is required. So for the information system, it is compulsory to manage all these things. Why we are talk about the information, why we are talk about the management information system here? Because now the Amazon, the Alibaba, the Flipkart, these all are the giant companies which process daily the information, the data, the raw facts, because they people are working onto the online mode, and for this online mode it is very compulsory to analyze, to interpret the statistical analysis of the data and extract the information from this all process of interpretation or statistical analysis. So what is the information? That is the appropriate data. Appropriate data means what? That the companies want, that the business wants, that the educationists want. That appropriate data is must for your processing. For information is just when you collect the appropriate data. Then the accurate information, the information must be true. The information from the right person to the right person. This is the very important. And this accurate data, this appropriate data, this accurate information must be like in the form of when the people are taking the relevant decision on that. This is. Then what is the difference between the data and information? Because the student always thinks the data is information, information is data. No, the data and information both are different. Look guys, that the data is the raw facts only. Whatever the collection from the people, the Google form, the review form, your customer details, your other things, whatever the feedback forms. So you collect this so many data. Is this all data is relevant for you? No. What kind of information? What is the objective for collecting this data? This is the information. What if your objective is completed or not? This is the information, right? So when we processed what kind of information we required in our decision making, this is your processed data. This is called the information only. The data is only the data stored facts. All the things we stored in my computer, that is the data. But what the live presented fact means, what the info data which we required into the decision making for the interpretation, analysis, research, development. These all things, when we collect this data and utilize this data, it will be your live presented data. This data may be only into the backend position and inactive, and this is the active because it is processed. It is a knowledgeable data, right? It is technological oriented because from so many applications, from so many online processes and Google form and the other things we collected it. But business oriented it, what kind of customer demand is, what the financial management we required, what the trend is going on, what the competitors are doing. These all are the business oriented, right? Now the characteristics of the perfect information is it must be accurate, it must be relevant, it must be complete and understandable and comprehensive also, right? Because the comprehensive information means whatever the collection, whatever the decisions we need to be required into the business, it must be comprehensive. It is related to the finance, it is related to the management, competitors and other things, right? This is the system, that is we are giving the input, we are giving so many data in our computers, right, and process it, and we make the reports. We have some Excel sheets, we have some the statistical analysis. This will be your process, and we getting the reports. It will be our output. So this is the system work into the management information. And finally, the one definition is there, the combination of human and computer-based resources which results in collection, storage, retrieval, communication and efficient management. This is called about the operations of the business planning, and it is related to the management information system. The characteristics of the management information system, that is, it must be the management oriented, management directed and integrated also. Management oriented means this information must be utilized into the decision making, future planning, trend analysis, all these things. And because it is directed through the management also, because this is a requirement of the management and management will take the decision on it. So management directed also, and integrated means comprehensive. I already told that it must be the comprehensive data, because if it is comprehensive, then we will work on it and it is called your information. The common database, we worked on the centralized database, because if it is decentralized, the trend of decentralized database is over now. So all the companies are using the common database, the centralized database system, and extract all the information. Now the companies are working onto the cloud computing. It is also on the central database. Now the computerized, of course, it must be the computerized and user friendly and flexible also. And flexibility means we can update, we can modify according to the requirement, we can change the application formats, we can change so many things. So it must be the flexible. So this is from all my side about what is the management information system and the characteristics. For the further details, we can move on to the next lecture. Thank you.